everyone, Camille here, and today I am sharing with you how to do an easy at-home spa morning or night with 3 products from Joanna Vargas Skincare. Here are the 3 products that I'm going to be talking about today. So we have in this little pink box, the Ritual Bar. In this box, we have the Glow and Go mask set, and finally, this brush for dry brushing. Before I get into the details of how you're going to do your little at-home spa day, I want to talk about the benefits of each of these awesome products. I am a huge lover and believer of sheet masks, and these sheet masks from Joanna Vargas are amazing. This actual Glow and Go mask set is going to contain 5 different sheet masks, all to address different skincare concerns. So you can buy this and you can kind of mix and match based on what your skincare concern is at the time that you're doing your at-home spa day. Sheet masks are really good for your skin because they have a concentrated amount of vitamins, serums, and other good for you skincare ingredients. So because you're going to put them directly on your face, basically all of those goodies are going to absorb immediately into your skin. Let's talk about this little guy. This is the Ritual Bar from Joanna Vargas, and I really like this bar because it's actually for your body and your face. So it's super versatile, but let's talk about what's in it. So as you can see, this bar is green. There is green tea extract in this bar. Green tea is gonna help stimulate your skin. Think of it as literally a cup of caffeine for your body. It's gonna wake up your skin, it's gonna revitalize it, and really get your body going. There's also coffee extract in here, and that has anti-inflammatory properties to help soothe your skin. Finally, since this bar is jam-packed with goodness, there is olive oil and avocado oil in here, and both of those are going to help hydrate the skin to leave it super soft, moisturized, and supple. Now onto this brush. So this brush is made from eco-friendly materials and it's suitable for your entire body, and this is used for dry brushing. Now, if you're not familiar with dry brushing, let me tell you a little bit about it. Dry brushing helps stimulate circulation throughout your body and also helps reduce the appearance of cellulite. To use the dry brush, move up in sweeping motions towards the heart to increase circulation. If you want, the neck of the brush also removes so that you can use it as a hand brush. That's going to get the blood flowing, and that's literally going to give your skin a glow from the inside out. Now that we've talked about all of the amazing skin benefits from these products, let's get into the order of which you use them when you want to have your very own at-home spa day. When you wake up in the morning, you're going to grab your dry brush. You're going to use it in those long sweeping motions to really just wake up your skin and get it ready for the day. Then you're going to hop in the shower, use your Ritual Bar, clean your body, get even more awake with that green tea, and then once you're out of the shower, you're gonna put on one of those amazing sheet masks while you're doing your hair, picking out your outfit, getting things ready for the day. Then just peel it off, put on your makeup, and you're ready to go. At nighttime, you're gonna use these 3 items, but you're just gonna switch up the order in which you use them. You're gonna start with a sheet mask, and while you're letting all of these vitamins and serums soak in, you're gonna grab your dry brush for a little bit. Then you're gonna hop into the shower or take a warm bath using that Ritual Bar right before you have a good night's sleep. A lot of people think that they need to go out and buy a ton of different products for an at-home spa day. And the truth is, you really only need a few really great items that benefit your skin. So whether it's morning, night, weekend, weekday, grab these 3 products and give yourself the at-home spa day that you deserve. Bye!